Hello and welcome to another training video. During this video, I want to talk to you about the AI assistant that is built into the platform. So without further ado, let's go ahead and dive right into it. So here I am right now inside of our platform, and the first question that you have is, well, how do I even find the AI assistant? Well, to do that, it is attached to any of the text elements on your site. So I can find it inside of this header, I can find it inside of this website description, and I can also go to add widget over here. I can take a heading or the text and drag it over here and drop it somewhere. And then when I do that, we select this text here and you can see the AI button over here at the far right of the little toolbar that appears. Okay, so any text element is going to have that AI option. So let's go ahead and delete this one here. And I'm going to show you how to use this AI to improve or write your content for you. So the first thing is, let's talk about this title here. Premium Personal Training Services. What I'm going to do is I'm going to double click inside of this. I'm going to select this entire title. And once I have this title selected, I am going to click on the AI button, and that's going to open up this little widget here for us. And we actually have a wide variety of options. We have improve, expand, shorten, generate text, and then we have this little icon right here where when we click on that, we can actually change the tone of the content. So we have professional, friendly, relaxed, playful, so forth. So I am going to go with professional. And right when I click that, you can see it rewrote my headline to something more professional. So let's go ahead and highlight this information again. And then we're going to click on AI once again. Now what I want to do is I want to click on generate text. Then it's going to ask me, what should this text be about? So I'm going to say headline for fitness website targeting both genders. And I'm going to click on submit. Now, once I click on submit, that's going to write me a new headline. And you can see here, it's a little long. It's a little bit on the long side, and maybe I want to shorten this, or maybe I want to rewrite it to another headline. So I'm going to highlight this again, click on the AI button, and here we have two more options. We have expand and shorten. Since I think this is a little bit long, I'm going to click on shorten. And once I do that, we can see that it shortened my headline a little bit. If I want to make it shorter, I can do shorten again. Or maybe my headline was a little too short and I want to expand it, I can click on the expand. I can also click on improve, and it's going to rewrite my headline and try to improve it for me. And we can do this with other content on our website as well. Let's take our little description here. I'm going to highlight all of this information. I am going to click on the AI button. I'm going to click on generate text, and for what this should be about, I'm just going to say website content for fitness platform and then click on submit, and we'll see what the AI comes up with. Now remember, no matter what the AI comes up with, we can shorten it, we can expand it, we can improve it, and we can also change the tone of it. So this is actually pretty long. I could just keep one of these paragraphs or I could shorten it. So let's go ahead and highlight all of this information here, and let's just delete all of that there. And then we're going to highlight this one, and then maybe I want to change it to friendly, for example. So we can change the tone of the content that's already been written. And as you can see, it rewrites it. Now, once I have that, I'm going to save it, because not only can we write headlines and website content, we can also use this to create blog content as well. So now what I'm going to do is on the left-hand side, I'm going to mouse over our pages here, and I'm going to click on that. And then once I do, I am going to navigate to our blog, and I'm going to click on that. And that's going to take us to our blog page here, and I'm going to add a new post. Now, once I add a new post, we can see here that we have the image, we have the title, so forth. But down here, we have the blog post itself, and it has some sample dummy content in here. So I'm going to highlight all of that sample content. I am going to click on AI, generate text, and I'm going to say a blog post about the importance of fitness and your health, and then click on submit. And that's going to go out and that's going to write a blog post for me based on whatever information I entered here. And once that's finished, we now have our blog post. And as you guessed it, we can use the AI to further make changes and optimize this post however we would like. And that's all there is to using the AI assistant inside of your website. If you need any further help, feel free to click on the help icon down here in the bottom left-hand corner. And then inside of here, you can click on AI Assistant, and we have knowledge-based articles on all the features that we just talked about. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.